हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मैथमेटिक्स शो में। हम बदलते हैं आपकी सोच, हम बदलते हैं आपका नज़रिया, हम निकालते हैं डर आपके मैथमेटिक्स का। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स, इक्वेशंस, कॉम्पिटिशंस और अल्गोरिदम्स। इट इज़ अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। हमारे नए नए वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना मत भूलिए।
Namaste friends. Today our topic is decimal representation of a rational number. Rational number की जो डेफिनेशन है जो हमने पहले ही देखी है। Now in some cases we get some type of decimal fraction, just as decimal representation of a rational number is obtained by dividing its numerator by denominator. न्यूमरेटर को यदि हमने डिवाइड किया डिनोमिनेटर से, जो भी कुछ हमको आंसर मिलता है दैट इज नथिंग बट our decimal form. Now for example, the decimal form of 3 by 5, you divide by 5 to the 3. We divide denominator by 5 to the numerator 3. Then at that time here we get a answer that is nothing but the 0.6. You divide it, you will find that there is a no any type of the remainder. वहाँ कोई भी रिमाइंडर जो है ये क्या बचता नहीं है. No remainder is there, means remainder is 0. In this case also 9 by 5, in that you will find that it will be the 4.5. You divide it, you will get it is a 4.5. You divide by the 8 to the 11. In this case you will find that the 1.375. Here the process of the division ends and the remainder that becomes equal to 0. वहाँ remainder जो है ये कैसा रहता है, 0 रह जाता है, means there is no remainder. In this case the process of the division ends. उस स्थिति में क्या हो जाता है, प्रोसेस जो है उसकी एंड हो जाती है. जस्ट है 3 by 5. नाउ यू टेक द डिवीजन हियर, 3 divided by 5. 3 is smaller than 5. It means there is no 3 in the table of 5. So for that you take here point. We take the point here and we place a 0 here. So it will be 5 6 30. 5 into 6, it is 30. You are seeing here the remainder is 0. This is the quotient, means your answer is 0.6. In this case also the remainder is 0, just like this. Such a type of a rational number, such a type of the decimal form is called as the terminating decimal form. It is called as the terminating decimal form. Means in this case what happens, the termination that occurs in the remainder में क्या हो जाता है, 0 आ जाता है, and this 0.6 only one number is there. Such a type of the fraction is called as the terminating decimal form. दूसरा वाला एग्जांपल देखिए अभी, 1.234. Sorry, you take the another example, 1234 divided by 999. You will find that 1.235 235 235. In this case you will find that this is the one type of the groups which are repeating again and again, means there is no remainder 0. वहाँ रिमाइंडर जो है ये क्या रहता है, कंटिन्यूसली शुरू ही रहता है. In such a case we are getting the quotient in this way, 235 235 035. In this case we can write the answer, that is the 2.235 you give here in this. This is the one group, this is the another group, this is the another group. Means these groups are repeating again and again. This is called as the non-terminating. In the second case also, you are also seeing here the 1818, it is repeating, so it will be 0.18, means you give here a bar. Here this number is repeating, means there is no remainder 0, so it is equal to 0.83, you give here point. In such a case, you are finding that the remainder that are not 0, means the process of the remainder that unends, रुकती नहीं है, continuously शुरू ही आती आ रही. Such a type of a decimal fraction is called as the non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating means terminate नहीं हो रहा है, again and again the remainder is coming. And the recurring means these numbers are again repeating. Number जो है ये कैसे हो रहे, repeat हो रहे again and again, that are called as the recurring decimal. Now you see here the terminating decimal form. Form can be written as a non-terminating recurring form. Non-terminating. जस्ट एज रिकरिंग जो है टर्मिनेटिंग को हम क्या कर लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट इन द नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव टेकन हियर 15/8 and our answer is 1.875. Here the remainder is 0, means remainder is 0, your process of division stops. But you can write in this way also, 1.875, ये भी बराबर है और ये भी बराबर है. You can also write in this way 1.8750000 in this way. These and these and these both are, all these are the equal. We can write in this way. Just as we have taken here 3/5. Our answer was, it was the 0.6. You can also write 0.6000. This is also same as 0.60. All these are the same. Means you can write a terminating decimal form into the non-terminating form. Now take some questions from your practice set. (1.3) Divide it 9/37. Here we have to divide by 37 to the 9. 37 से हमको डिवाइड करना है किसको, 9 से. You see here, this is our 9 and we are going to divide by 37. Now see here, 37 and the 9 is here. We are going to divide by 37. Divisor is 37 और किसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हम? 9 को. And we are getting the quotient here. Now you see here, 9 is smaller than 37. 9 कैसा है? छोटा है 37 से. 37 के टेबल में 9 आता है क्या? नहीं आता है. You can ask the question to yourself. बहुत सारे जो बच्चे जो रहते हैं उनकी ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं रहती, अभी भी क्लियर नहीं रहती. So you ask the question to yourself that in the table of the 37 9 is coming. No. So you keep a decimal point here and you can give here a 0 there. So here 37 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता है. नाउ यू कंसीडर द 90 कंसीडर करना है हमको. क्या करना है? 90 कंसीडर करना है. नाउ 37 के टेबल में 90 आता है क्या? देखिए नहीं आता है. 37 के टेबल में आता है कि देखिए 37 इंटू 3 इट इज 111. 90 नहीं आता है तो 90 के ऊपर वाला नंबर आता है. सो यू कैन कंसीडर द नंबर बिफोर 111. मीन्स यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 37 इंटू 2 करके देखिए. इट इज 74. नाउ यू कैन राइट हियर 37 इंटू 2. It is 74. Make the subtraction. After making the subtraction, you will get here 6 and it will be here 1. Now you bring here 10 to this side. So 160. Now you ask the question to yourself again. In the table of the 37, whether the 160 number that comes or not. उसके टेबल में आता है कि 160 नहीं आता है तो उसके नीचे वाला हमको नंबर लेना है. सो 37 इंटू 4 देखिए 148. इट इज स्मॉलर देन 160. 37 इंटू 5 करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी मोर देन 160. दैट वी डजंट नीड. हमको उसकी आवश्यकता नहीं है. सो 37 इंटू 4 इट इज 148. मेक द सब्सट्रैक्शन हियर. सब्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे हम. सब्सट्रैक्शन करने के बाद में विल गेट हियर इट इज 2 1 it will be 0. Now you bring again 0 here. यहाँ का 0 हम अभी यहाँ लेके आएंगे. कितने से मल्टीप्लाई किया था हमने? It was 4. 37 into 4. 37 into 4 it is 148 that we have written here, and after that we have done a subtraction. Subtraction हमने ये. Now you again see here 37 के टेबल में 120 आता है क्या? Whether the 120 that comes in the table of 37. 37 के टेबल में 120 आता है क्या? 37 के टेबल में 120 आता है कि देखिए 37 into 3 it is 111. It is nearer to this. 37 into 4 करेंगे तो कितना है? 148. ये इससे ऊपर है, सो वी विल टेक हियर 37 into 3, it is a 111. Make a subtraction, 37 into 3, it is a 111. Make a subtraction here, you will get 90. Now again you make a multiplication, 37 into 2, 90 के टेबल में आ रहा है कि देखिए 90 is again coming, this is 90, this is 90, so here 37 into 2, it is equal to 74. Make the subtraction, it is a 16. Now you observe it very carefully. 2, 4, 3. After that again you will find here that the 2 will come here. 90 divided minus 74, 16. This is 2, again this is 2, and again this is 2. In this way what will happen? There will be the no remainder 0. Remainder जो है क्या 0 आएगा नहीं, और प्रोसेस जो है process of the division that will continue. In such a case we can write here the answer 0.2432 in this way. You can write here 0.243. You keep a bar here. It means that after that again there will be the repetition of numbers. So we have done a division here, 9 divided by 37. So our answer is this. So we can write here, therefore decimal form. Of 9/37. .243. Bar is there.